How to build this friendship circle in our college life. Guys, trust me, it is one of the most important topics here before you go to any kind of college, or if you are in the college itself, this video can literally help you a lot. About friendship, if I tell about my own story, being very much genuine enough, genuine enough, I can tell that in my 11th and 12th, I basically didn't make much kind of friends here because I felt that it was literally a waste of time though. I was just focusing on my own priorities, my own goals, that's it. When people come and talk to me, obviously I will talk. I'll be like, no, I will not talk. Not like that. I will go speak to people naturally. But then what happened in my 11th and 12th, I didn't build that kind of bond with many people. But yes, some people, yes, I made a very good brotherhood with them. But other than that, I used to not talk. But then later date, I realized few of the mistakes which I did, which I want to make sure that none of you guys try to repeat it. That's the main objective of this particular video. Now, while making a friend circle, normally when you come to this college life, especially when normal thing itself, when I came to my class itself, everyone was like friends itself. Initial first week, we all try to become friends of everyone. But then gradually what happens, this groupism starts, okay? Groupism, it's like, okay, I'll try to understand that, okay, this set of people is good for me. This set of people is good for me. This set of people is not good for me. So that's what happened. In this group also, 4 to 5 people will be there. And you will try to build your bond with them. Why? Because your thinking or your way of behavior will be aligned to that particular group. It happens subconsciously also. Got it? Even though consciously you don't perform it, subconsciously it will happen. For example, if you're talking to a person who you do not like, no matter what happens, when you keep on talking, you will not enjoy it. But there are some situations in you which you talk to some person, you will feel so much connected. Okay, I'll be like, okay, fine. I and my Yuvraj, okay, and one of my friends, okay, Yuvraj, Aman, Kanav and Shaurya, we are just 5 people. And while talking to them, I felt that, okay, fine, our mind thinking is somewhat similar, yaar. I feel that, okay, after I be part of this group, I'll feel some kind of happiness. I'll be able to share some kind of happiness to another person. They will be there to help me out when I need. Not always, but yes, some kind of help. It basically connects from both sides, yeah. So that kind of friendship, if you want to build, it's very important. Point number 1, build your networking skill. But by building your networking skills, you will get to know what another person is and then choose your friendship circle over there. Second important point is, in your friendship circle, in case if you want to sustain it for a very long period of time, show that attitude of careness, yaar. Careness is not something you're overacting. No, it comes naturally from your inside heart. If you're showing acting, then trust me, yaar, you will never succeed within your friendship. I've seen many of the friendship being just broken just because of showing overacting that, okay, I'm carrying you. No, it will come naturally from you. When he or she is your friend, or when he or she, whoever it is your friend, show that caringness. Okay, I really care about you. Like, did you have your food? Or are you fine now? I heard that you're not feeling well. You want some kind of help from me. When any friend is there, try to make sure that you try to be even at his sorrow parts. Okay, it doesn't mean that when you require some help, he and she will come and help you. No, nothing like that. Whether he and she come and help you, regardless, somebody else in the universe will basically connect you and basically try to help you out. That is the natural reality. So show that helping attitude. Okay, it should not be like you're trying to get everything from your friend circle. That is really bad. But it is very important for you to give. The giving attitude is very important. Giving me, it's not like, okay, money is asking, I'm giving everything. He's calling me over here, I'll be going over there. He'll be calling for movie, I'll be going. No, that's not the friendship circle I'm speaking about. That is literally foolish. A friendship circle is that when my friend, he wants any kind of help, very tough situation in his life. It could be because of some kind of depression, family problems, struggles. At that point of time, if I am supposed to be with him, if I am there with him, that is called a true friendship. For example, I remember one of my friends, he lost his key, car key. And he all was really frustrated, really tense. And we, friend circle, we 3 people came and we searched for him. We went for him, no matter nothing that he will be coming and rewarding us. No, that is not our objective over here. Our objective is basically create that brotherhood. No matter when he requires the help, we will be standing out. That should be the strongness, yeah. No matter when somebody else come and scold us, we 5 people are very strong that nobody else can't enter into a circle and break us. That kind of friend circle you are supposed to create. Now, building a very good friend circle will literally help you a lot in your life. Trust me, it will literally build a lot in your life because in your long-term vision, in your passion. If, for example, for igniting in your career also, we require some kind of push. And genuinely select a very good friend circle who can literally push you up. That is very important. But not as a disclaimer, which I want to tell you to, as a third important tip. The second tip which I said first was networking. Second important tip which I shared was about how to connect with your niche people, like-minded people. Third is thing, please don't get connected much with the toxicated people. Now, in your friend circle itself, you'll find who are toxic or not toxic. So toxic, it doesn't mean that smoking and drinking. No, that's not just toxic. Toxic में different kind of meaning होता है. For example, their way of thinking, always negative. They're trying to pull you down, pushing you down, bullying you most of the times, never allowing you to think beyond your peace of state of mind, never giving your space for you to continue with your friendship. When such things is basically there, that friendship will not sustain, yaar. That will literally not sustain. That's the harsh reality. And I hope you guys know the story of this lion and that mouse ka story. It's a very good story, yaar. I think we have learned this in our first standard itself, where basically when lion was sleeping, a mouse will come near his nose and will be sitting and playing or just passing on. Lion will start getting up this sudden anger, he'll be like, okay, I'm going to eat you. That time mouse will be like, okay, chalo baba, please don't eat me, because when you require help, I will surely come and help you, because I'm considering you as my friend from today onwards. And then the lion just mocked him and then moved away. But when the situation came, when the lion got trapped in a net, you know the story better than me. The lion got trapped in the net. This mouse was the one who came there and helped. And that should be the friend circle. That is the message for the entire friend circle. If you're able to catch up this entire essence of this friendship, it will sustain for a very long period of time. And trust me, no matter what, these people will be there with you. And never show that, you want that from them. You want this. And in my friend circle itself, I've seen one guy, he always expects. No, I have many friend circle, okay? I'm not telling one friend circle, I have many. I've seen one of the person, like, okay, he's not calling me while I'm going for this. He's not doing this without me. He's doing that without me. That should not be that. See, in a friend circle also, never be so much attached. It should not be like, without that person, I cannot do anything. When you're trying to create that kind of bondage, trust me, even that friendship will not sustain for a very long period of time. Why? Because later date, what happens in case if there is a fight between you people, or in case there is a bad argument between you people, because of that bondage, you people will try to split forever. You will try to create that kind of element. I have seen this even in my own eyes. So build that attachment, but not so much bondage. Okay, it should be like, even though he's there with me, I'll be best with him. Even though he's not there with me, I'll be able to balance my happiness. That should be the best example of selecting a good amount of friendship circle. Now trust me, you try to build this friendship circle, trust me, you'll never regret, yaar. This will basically carry on forever, and you will try to build a very good ethic, very good, very good cultural amount of friendship circle within them, and build that brotherhood. It should be like a family, caring, respect, even whatever help is required, you're just giving from your side. Bring that collectiveness in your friendship circle. Trust me, you will literally enjoy it. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked it. Wishing you all the best. Good luck. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. And if you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for all your love and support here. And do let me know on what contents you want more videos on. I'll be much happy to post on. So that's all. Wishing you all the best. Good luck.